Hi, I'm Jen from Acadian Accounting Education, and today we are going to practice creating an expense using both the item details and category details tables. So if you would like to grab a copy of the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description, and let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and create that expense. Now, this exercise is coming from our Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, which if you would like more information about that course after we go through the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description. But let's dive in and read through today's scenario. Craig purchased some plants and soil from Hicks Hardware for a project he is working on, recorded in QBO. Now, this exercise, you will need to be in the sample company to do it. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link in the description. I have the sample company here on the left side of my screen. Once you sign in, this is what it will look like. So let's go ahead and get started with the exercise. Now, Craig had purchased 10 plants at $12 per plant and 5 bags of soil. So let's go ahead and click on the plus new button and then click on expense to get it started. The plus new button is on the top left corner of the screen. Click on that. And then under vendors is expense. Once it comes up for us in the payee field, we want to select Hicks Hardware. So I'm going to close out of this. If you have that, feel free to do the same. I'm going to click on this down arrow here and I'm going to scroll. Of course, you could start typing in their name as well. Once you find it though, go ahead and click on it. We're going to leave all of this information above as is. Of course, in a real life scenario, you want to make sure that the payment date matches the date of the transaction itself. So in the category field, we want to select plants and soil. It looks like there is something currently here from the previous excuse me, from the last time that he purchased something from Hicks Hardware. We're just going to overwrite it. So I'm going to just click on that down arrow and plants and soil happens to be the one right above it. So go ahead and click on that. And then we want to add a little more information about what this was for. So in the description field, we're just going to type plants. So go ahead and click into that and go ahead and type that. Let's delete what is currently here in the amount field. And in that field, we want to type this equation 10 times 12. So 10 and then the little times 12. If you hit the tab key after that, you will see that QBO will automatically do the calculation for you. So now we need to move down to the item details table. So you want to click on this little arrow down here. And then once you do, in this product service field, we want to select a soil. So click into it, and then you want to scroll. It is the third one on this list, so go ahead and click on it. Now, the reason that we have the soil down here and the plants up here is because the soil is an inventory item. It's something that Craig keeps track of versus this, the plants, he doesn't. So it goes up here in this category details grid. We're going to leave the description as is. In the quantity field, we want to update this to 5 bags of soil. So type 5, hit the tab key, and you see that QBO automatically makes the calculation of 5 times $6.50 to equal $32.50. So we can see our total here. That is the total in the amount up here, as well as the amount down here is equaling the total. So that is all we need to do for this expense. So we can just go ahead and click on the Save and Close button on the bottom right corner. And that expense has been saved, and that's how you do it using both the item details and the category details tables. Now, if you like this exercise and you would like to do more like it, or you would like more information about that Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, be sure to click on the link in the description, and I will see you next time.